Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform software set for your earbuds EARFUN Air 2. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. Then close the case. And now your earbuds disconnected from the phone. You can check it in the settings if you want to. Open the settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. If you have iOS, you will see this text not connected. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices, meaning the same. And after that, after you disconnect them, you need to open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. And also, if you have iOS, you will see that it's connected. If you have Android, it will return to My Devices. And with this method, you can fix a lot of small trouble with your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!